Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about how to calculate risk, reward or margin requirement in any option spread. Actually, in one of my recent videos I did a trading using bull put spread where my risk was rupees 35 and the reward was rupees 65 and the margin requirement was 17,000, and many of the beginner traders friends seem to be very confused about how I calculated the risk, reward and how my margin was so less. Even some of the friends commented that it is not possible to sell option using just 17,000 or 20,000. So it is very easy to calculate. So let us take the example of bull put spread today. So if you understand bull put spread, you can understand the risk, reward or margin requirement in any other option spreads like bull call spread, bear put spread. Okay, so basically bull put spread, here a bull means your view on the market is bullish, put means you are selling put option, and a spread means you are buying some other option to hedge your position. Okay, let us go to the practical way. So suppose this is the chart of Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty closed Friday around 35,900. Let us assume that our view on the market is bullish. We believe that in the coming week, so till next Thursday, market is going to stay above 36,000. So our view is bullish. So what, as an option seller, we are doing? We are selling 36,000 put option. Okay, what will be the margin requirement for selling, naked selling of 36,000 put option? Let me take you to the Zerodha margin calculator where you can check all the margin requirement. So this is the NFO. We need to change it to option. Then we need, okay, Bank Nifty is already selected. So our strike price is 36,000. So let me take 36,000. Our put option, it is put option, one quantity. Okay, so here you can see the margin requirement for selling one put option of 36,000 strike price is around 1,80,000. It is 1,76,000. Okay, so if you are selling naked, so your margin requirement will be 1,76,000 if you are going to hold it actually. So what is the premium that you are receiving by selling 36,000 put option? Currently the price of 36,000 put option is, as you can see, 503. So you are getting 503 rupees premium for selling 36,000 put option. Okay, so what are the drawbacks of this? The first drawback is that the margin is very high. You need to have around 2 lakh or around 1.8 lakh in your account to sell one lot of Bank Nifty. Okay, and moreover, what happens if market, suppose market in the coming week market falls heavily, instead of our expectation is market will be above 36,000, it might go up or it might stay flat. So our expectation is one of these two. Okay, if against our expectation market falls heavily, suppose 2,000 point, 3,000 point, then we will incur heavy loss. Our this premium 503 premium may rise to 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees. Okay, so there are two drawbacks. The risk is very high, that's why says risk is unlimited, and your margin requirement is very high. So what need we do? We can overcome these two problem by doing what? Okay, let me. Okay, so if market comes down heavily, we need to have our position hedged. It's kind of like insuring our position. Okay, so what will you do if market comes down heavily? Will make loss. To save us from that big loss, what we need to do? We need to buy some put option. So we have sold 36,000 put option. Now what we are gonna do? We are gonna buy 3,500. The next strike price. The next strike price will be 35,900. So we are going to buy it. Why buying it? To save us from any big loss. Okay, let me buy 35,900 put option. We are going to buy it. Why buying? Because we are hedging ourselves, protecting ourselves if market falls heavily. Okay, so have a look. The margin requirement for naked option selling was 1,76,000, but when we hedge our position by buying the nearest strike price, look at the margin requirement, 20,000. So basically we are selling one lot of Bank Nifty using 20,000 rupees. Okay, so let me take you to the calculation. So here is the main thing. Difference between naked selling and spread selling. Okay, the premium received by selling 36,000 put option is 503. Okay, to hedge your position, you need to buy 35,900 put option. So let me show you the premium. As you can see, the premium of 35,900 put option is 450. Okay, to hedge your position, you need to pay from your pocket. Okay, from your pocket, you need to pay 450 rupees. So basically, what is the profit potential? The maximum profit that you can have is the premium paid by you 503 minus the premium received by you, that is 503, and the premium paid by you, that is 450 rupees. That is the maximum profit is 53 rupees. Okay, you might say, bro, in this naked selling we are getting a profit of, we had maximum profit of 500 rupees, and by doing spread our profit has decreased to 53 rupees. But as you can see, while getting this 503 rupees, your investment was around 1,80,000, and you had unlimited risks. Now what happened? Your margin is, to get this 53 rupees, you are investing just 20,000 rupees. So this is the main idea behind using spread. And moreover, here your risk was unlimited. Now let us see what is the risk in our bull put spread. Okay. So what I did, I sold 36,000 put option and I bought 35,900. So what's the difference between the strikes? It is 100 rupees, not 100 points. So this is known as the spread difference. Okay, and our maximum profit is 53 rupees. And how the maximum loss is calculated? This is the formula. The maximum loss is spread minus profit. Our spread here was 100 point and our maximum profit was 53 rupees. So this is the maximum loss, 47 rupees. So no matter what, even Bank Nifty closes below 2000 point, 3000 point, we cannot have a loss bigger than 47 rupees in one lot. So this is how we reduce our loss. It is not necessary that you know, for hedging you buy the nearest strike. You can buy another put option as well. Let us assume that you sold 36 put option, but instead of buying 35,900, you bought 35,800 put option. So currently 35,800 put option, as you can see, is trading around 395. So instead of going with 35,900 put option, you bought 35,800. So this is a far strike price than this. Therefore your premium paid will be reduced, 395. So what is the profit potential here? The profit potential here is the same. The premium received is 503 minus premium paid 395, that is your profit potential 108. So as you can see here, the difference between the strike was just 100 rupees, that's why your profit was just 53. Here the difference between the two strikes is 200, that's why your profit has increased to 108. But there is a but. The but is the spread difference here becomes 200. The difference between the two strike here is 200. On the other hand, here it was 100 rupees. Here the profit has increased from 53 rupees to 108 profit potential, but similarly your loss has also increased. Here your loss, the formula is the same, spread minus profit. So here your spread is 200 rupees, profit is 108, therefore your maximum loss that you can have is 92 rupees. So therefore if you are a risk taker, you can go with such spread where the difference between the two strike is bigger. And if you don't like to take big risks, then you should go with like spread with that has 100 point difference. Okay, so the main idea behind this, for 53 rupees you are investing 20,000 rupees and your loss is minimized. That's how you won't spend sleepless night. On the other hand, if you have sold naked option, you will always be thinking about what if tomorrow market opens gap down 1000 point, 2000 point, you may have very big loss. And friends, if you have very limited capital like 60,000, 80,000 or even 1 lakh and you still want to sell option and hold it, then what you can do is you can first sell the option at MIS, then you can complete the spread. Once the spread is completed, then your margin requirement will be reduced to like 20,000, 25,000. Then you can go and convert your position to normal. Thank you.